Feeling like the cost of living keeps going up, but your paycheck just can't keep up? You're not alone. But here's the truth. While most people complain about being broke, the wealthy quietly build additional streams of income. What if I told you there are 5 powerful side hustles that could dramatically boost your income in 2025 and set you on the path to financial freedom? Stay tuned, because in the next 10 minutes, I'll break down side hustles that aren't just trendy, they actually work. And trust me, you don't want to miss number 5. It's a game changer and could change the trajectory of your finances forever. Let's dive right in. The first side hustle is for those who love creating but don't want to commit to full-time gigs. Income Stream 1. Freelance content creation for brands. By 2025, brands will search for people with a good number of followers on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. So now's the best time to start growing your following and rank the highest. If you can create engaging, trend-savvy content, opportunities to earn anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per video will open up. Brands will pay anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per video depending on your skills. Imagine making an extra $3,000 a month just from short videos. And don't worry, you don't have to embarrass yourself with this, unless it pays really well. But seriously, the demand is only going up. Income Stream 2. Niche coaching or consulting. Do you have a skill, any skill? Whether it's fitness, budgeting, resume writing, or gaming strategies, someone out there is willing to pay you for your expertise. With platforms like Zoom and social media, it's easier than ever to find your audience and monetize your knowledge. Picture this, turning a hobby into a $1.75 per hour side gig, coaching clients right from your couch. Isn't that worth exploring? Income Stream 3. AI-powered digital products. Here's where tech-savvy hustlers win big. AI tools like ChatGPT make creating digital products faster than ever. Write ebooks, build templates, or even design online planners. Upload them to platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, and you've got a passive income source that can keep earning while you sleep. But wait until you hear what's next, because the next side hustle has almost zero startup cost and taps into a billion-dollar industry. Income Stream 4. Flipping digital assets. Ever heard of domain flipping? It's like flipping houses, but online. Buy undervalued domain names or starter websites for cheap, then sell them at a higher price. People have made thousands of dollars flipping assets like this, and all it takes is a little research and timing. You can literally name a website as fatcataccessories.com and earn $500 on selling it. Income Stream 5. Subscription box businesses. Subscription boxes will likely continue booming in 2025. Whether it's snacks, skincare, or books, people love curated experiences. You can start small by creating niche boxes and using platforms like Shopify or Cratejoy to reach customers. It's scalable, fun, and a fantastic way to build consistent revenue. The sooner you start, the better, because competition in this space is heating up. Don't miss your chance to claim a slice of this lucrative pie. So there you have it. 5 side hustles that aren't just ideas, but actual strategies to increase your income in 2025. Which one will you start today? Because here's the thing, doing nothing guarantees you stay where you are. And if you're serious about building wealth, click on this video right here for 5 more passive income side hustles that can make you $10,000. It's packed with even more ideas you'll love. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. The future of your finances depends on the choices you make today. And missing out on content like this could cost you the wealth and lifestyle you've always dreamed of. See you in the next video.